If you are a developer, you know the struggle. You spend all day building infrastructure for other people, but your own portfolio site is still under construction. Today we are going to fix that. I am going to use Antigravity to generate a full web portfolio from scratch, including animation, tech stack, the work, and then we are going to deploy it completely for free on Vercel. I have prepared a detailed requirement document here. I am not just going to ask for a website. I am specifying the animation, the features list, and the exact tech stack I want to use. I am pasting this into anti-gravity now. Now watch this. It doesn't just start blindly writing code. It generates an implementation plan first. It's breaking down the task list, setting up the environment, component structure, styling. This is crucial because I can review the architecture before we start generating code. So I'm going to approve the plan now. It's starting the generation process. You can see it's throwing an error because it's tried to write code to a directory which does not exist. We don't have to fix it manually. Watch the agent. It recognizes the directory not found error and it's automatically fixing it. It's creating the required folder and rerunning the command. This self-healing capacity is what makes new AI agents so powerful for rapid prompting. Okay, the code is generated. I'm not going to test this manually. I'm asking agent to run the test server itself. You can see server is up. The agent is actually opening the browser and then navigating through the different options, home, about, projects, verifying the routing works. The portfolio structure is there, but the data is just placeholders. So I don't want to type my details manually. I already have a working portfolio site. So I am telling it to take the content from my actual portfolio site and inject it here. It's going to fetch my bio, experience, work, and populate to the new app. This saves so much time when you are migrating from one tech stack to another or migrating from WordPress. Okay, it pulled the data, but looking at this about page, the design is bit off. The layout is broken and it looks like a wall of text. This is where the human in the loop is necessary. I am asking it to redesign this specific block, fix the CSS padding, and remove the extra placeholder text that snuck in. Now it is ready. It looks much better. The certification section is aligned. The education block is readable. And blog and projects are using .md files, so you don't have to uh, write a HTML code to handle this. You can just create a .md files. It will get fetched from the Node.js application and will render it. Now we have a working application running locally. Now let's deploy the application on Vercel for free. I am pushing the code to a new GitHub repository. Let me connect to my GitHub repo. I provide access to specific repositories. Let me provide the access to anti-gravity demo. Okay, now it's connected. Once it is connected, I am creating a project. So it will fetch the code and automatically deploy it. So let's create. You can see deployment is starting. Okay, deployment is completed, but there is an error. On my local it was working fine, but it's having some issue when we deploy it on Vercel. So let me open. Yeah, some internal server error. So let me tell Antigravity about the issue. It added some change. Now I will commit it and see if the issue is fixed or not. Uh, Let me push it a bit. Deployment should get automatically completed. Let me go to deployments. Yeah, you can see. Have connected to GitHub, so we don't need to deploy it manually or create any webhook with the GitHub repo. It will be deployed whenever the new change is getting detected by Vercel. Still we have that issue, so let me check the logs so we'll get some idea on what exactly is happening. There's no issue with the build, so it is not an issue. There are a lot of failures here. So what I do, I will enable the live, will hit the public link and get the exact error message. Oh, let me share this error with the anti-gravity. It generated the code. Let me push it to Git. Okay, the URL is getting loading now. Yeah, it's working fine now. It was automatically deployed.